Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Priyanka and my roll number is 68. I am a student of B.Ed first year from Aravali College of Advanced Studies in Education. Today, my presentation topic is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. So, I am going to discuss about the topic of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Overview of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, I have divided this topic into further subtopics and then explain all topics by one. First is introduction of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, characteristics of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, aim and objective of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, management structure and educational facilities, major central interventions and their integration with Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, provision under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, suggestion for Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and conclusion of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Now let's come to the introduction of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is a major program of the government of India. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan initiative come in process at the time when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister of India. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan was launched in 2002 by former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is a flagship education program to attain universal elementary education. According to this, elementary education is to provide quality education to all children at the age of 6 to 14 years. It is a partnership program between the central, state and local governments. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan aims to provide useful and relevant education to all children in the age of 6 to 14 years. By 2010, all children of the age of 6 to 14 years have to write free and compulsory education in a neighboring school till completion of elementary education within a time period by 8 years. Promoting social justice through basic education to bridge social, religious and gender gaps, involvement of local peoples and stakeholders in planning through active participation of the community in the management of the schools. Characteristics of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. First is based on UEE. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is based on elementary universalization elementary education. The aim of elementary education is to provide quality education to all children at the age of 6 to 14 years. Next is time bound project. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is a time bound project, a time bound program. According to this program, by the year of 2010, all children of this country by the age of 6 to 14 years will be provided to elementary education. Next is right to education. Free and compulsory education to all children at the age of 6 to 14 years. 14 years as a fundamental right. Next is to produce national integration. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is an effort to increase national integration, provision for quality basic education to all. As quality education will be provided on elementary education in whole country so that the mental level of children could be increased. Establishment of social justice. Peoples of India are given social justice without any biasness on caste, religion and gender. Next is partnership between central government and state and local government is a play an important role in Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Next is active community involvement in the school management and improvement Panchayati Raj system, effective involvement of local bodies, involvement of local peoples and stakeholders in planning through active participation of the community in the management of the schools. Of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. The main aim of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is provide relevant education for all children and is focused on quality of universalization of elementary education. And Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is to provide elementary education for all children in age 6 to 14 year to fill the gap between social, religious and gender inequality to develop value through education, like development of truth, discipline, friendship, and religious thoughts, and educate a child in lap of nature. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is to encourage education of child in nature environment, maximum community participation through education, take care and development of early stage children. Objectives of Sabsiksha Abhiyan: all children in school back to school camp by 2003. Next is all children complete 5 years of primary education by the year of 2007, and all children complete 8 years of elementary education by the year of 2010. Next is remove social and regional differences, universal retention by 2010, and 8 years of quality based education is compulsory to all. Those objectives are expressed nationally, though with the expectation that various state and district to achieve the universalization elementary education respective their content on their time frame by 2010. There is a pictorial representation of management structure of Shiksha Abhiyan. Educational facilities of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan provided educational facilities to school by selection of teachers. There should be ratio by 1:40 student of one in the class. That means one teacher will be provided for 40 student in primary and upper primary schools. Free textbooks. Free books will be provided to all girls and scheduled caste at primary and upper primary level, to give training to teachers, supervision of school buildings, funds for teachers, funds regarding teaching learning material, to provide learning facilities to disabled children. There should be one school in 1 kilometer distance of child's home. Major central interventions and their integration with Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. First is Operation Blackboard under NPE, National Policy of Education 1986, to fulfill the basic needs of elementary schools like educational facilities, instructional materials and education. Second is teacher education. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan will include new appointments of teachers and the diet at district level and SCERTs at state level will be inspired to give proper attention to teacher education. Third is non-formal education for disabled children. Under Education Guarantee Scheme, realizing the rigidity of non-formal education, government has tried to make it flexible and to implement it in different state and different districts. Mahila Samakya is a great success in the field of women education has been achieved through program like Mahila Shiksha DP. Next is DPEP, District Primary Education Program, has been announced as a part of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. A number of districts of entire nation has been benefit from this scheme, and the scheme is playing a vital role to improve the level of primary education at district level. Next is midday meal program, to make sure that all the students who have been enrolled definitely attend the school. Midday meal scheme has been started. The two main aim is midday meal scheme. Every student will attend the school and student get nutrition food. Provision under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, intervention for early child care and education, provision of process-based community participation like involvement of local peoples and stakeholders in planning through active participation of the community in the management of schools, and schools education guarantee scheme like alternative facility for education, to encourage programs such as Mahila Samakya as much as possible. Free books will be provided to all girls and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe children. As at present, midday meal program will be started. At least 50% teachers to be appointed have to be women, and provision for all children with special needs, provision for 20 days in service each year for all teachers, to continue to provide scholarship and stipend by state governments. Suggestions to improve Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan must give free books and other incentives to disabled children. Midday meal will be provided to all students. Pre-service training of the teachers should be changed from time to time. The government should make some appropriate policies to measure the function of government. Incentive should give also to all students by reducing dropouts of school children, by improving teacher and students attendance, by improving the quality of education and improving school environment, and the Right to Education Act 2009 to be implemented by all states. Conclusion of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan has adopted a more expansive and broad-based program understanding the concept. The main aim of modern education is to provide knowledge to youth rather than certificates. Education is an important tool of success. It teaches us art of living. We cannot learn easily about that knowledge which is not according to our mind and ability.